Otter stands for Coastal Environmental Observation Technology and Research, and we're a group of highly trained personnel that are funded by the Ocean Frontier Institute, the Ocean Tracking Network, and MEOPAR. We operate two different kinds of gliders. One is a profiling glider and the other one is a surface glider. So a profiling glider is called a slocum glider. We use these mainly to monitor for right whales. The other type of glider we operate is a surface glider. It's called a wave glider. Ocean Tracking Network tags a lot of animals with acoustic tags. These tags are only any good if you hear them, so you need to put receivers out. Those receivers used to be offloaded manually. We send people out on a boat with a hydrophone. Now we can send a robot out, it can fly over them, it can offload them at a fraction of the cost of sitting on a boat, and of course we're not putting people at risk.
With the creation of the COVE, it became obvious that there would be an opportunity for a synergy here if we took our highly trained and competent glider group and put them over in close association with these industry partners. The partners could benefit from the experience that the glider group has got, and we in turn could offer to help them in the development of these technologies by putting them on board our systems, by deploying them and running beta test missions as part of our normal operating procedures to make this a nice synergy where we help these Canadian companies to get off the ground.
Here at COVE, on the ground floor, we have roughly 800 square feet of shop space. It was refit specifically to support glider activity. So we have heavy lift capacity, we have small lift capacity, we have ballast tanks. We redid the lighting, so they have sufficient lighting. The ventilation is really good. We have overhead doors so we can get gear in and out easy. And we can even store our boat here. And then upstairs, we have roughly 600 square feet of office space. So that seats 7 technicians and a little bit of a meeting area so they can get together and do mission planning. We're really enjoying being here at the waterfront. I mean, on a human level, it's just so nice to have the water surrounding us. But on a professional level, it's nice to have access to the water because now when we need to do some glider testing, we can be out in the water in 20 minutes.
The COVE is a remarkable facility. The location where it's right on the water, the ability to connect to large research vessels or small research vessels as needed. The internal facilities inside the building, the lifts, the hoists, the electrical shops and machinery, all of that is really critical components of generating a success at the end of the day.
By having everything here, not only does it make it efficient in terms of finally having a single space where we have all of our gear, but we also have all of our expertise here. The concentration of effort is just making our lives so much easier than the way it was before.